Hi friends, Merly here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky. This week has been a great week for gardening. I have planted a lot of vegetables and also flowers. And guys, I just would like to share with you what I am up to before the day ends because I am very excited with this project. In here we have 28 pots of roses. We have hybrid tea and some other roses. I love roses, but then when I started doing my research, I just realized that there are so many types of roses. Like, I thought there are only a few, but there are so many, and I have been watching videos about them. And now I'm going to share with you the roses that I currently have that will be in my flower garden. Yes, I'll be doing landscaping this year, guys. I know last year and the other year I did some light landscaping projects in the property, but um, I only planted some evergreens, and I really love some colors in my garden, and so I got these different types of roses. So let's start right here. I have 3 or 4 rows of roses in here. 28 different roses. I already have one rose bush planted, so that makes it 29 rose plants that I will have in the ground whenever all of this is planted. Now, because of the transport, some of this stems broke, but that's okay. They need a little trimming. Okay, guys, so this one, it says it's for cutting and bringing inside Mr. Lincoln. It's red. Look at that. Very nice. And when it fully opens, looks like this. And then we have one that is similar. I think this is the same. Let's take a look at the name. I'm so sorry, it's already getting dark, but I've been really busy. Yeah, it's the same. It's called Mr. Lincoln. And then this one is kind of like yellow with orange with pink. Let's take a look at the name of this plant. This is called, I'll show you the label, Sheila's Perfume Floribunda. Okay, so all of these are new to me, but it's so very exciting. I love this. Look at that. And then this one is a little bit different because it's red, and then there's like white in the middle of the petals, and this is called Smoking Hot. Okay, so next, guys, we have here something that looks like yellow, but this one right here, the one right next to it, has some orange colors on the side. There's probably a name for this, but really I don't know because I just started collecting some roses, and this one is called Gold Medal. Next in here, this one is red. A lot of the stems were broken, and unfortunately all of the flowers are gone, except for that one, but the petals have fallen over as well. Let's see what this is called. It's a hybrid tea. It's a Chrysler Imperial. And then next is another red one. Beautiful red flower. Where's the, I am looking for the tag. This is called Legends. Okay, Legends is red, smaller than that first one that I showed you. Actually, oh, there's a big one here, but it's like really open and so nice. Okay, next one is also red. Okay, there's a yellow tag. Let's see what this is called. This is Star. It says Star. Okay, yeah, red. They're in the, oh, I know what this is. Look at this, guys. It has white lines in the inside. Look at the petal. See, it's not totally red. It's red with white. And then this is really amazing. This one's almost white, like very light yellow, but then before it opens, it's towards the orange side, or like golden yellow color. And the name of this is Romantica Moonlight. Nice name. Okay, moving on. Here we have another red, but it's a lighter red color. It looks different on camera. It's a deeper pink or red color, but on camera it kind of like looks different, probably because it is already dark. And let's see, oh, maybe Star is a company, I'm not sure. There are two tags. One says Star, but the other one says Mr. Lincoln. I don't know what that, the 6th. Okay, tomorrow when it's brighter. Oh, okay. Star looks like Star is the company name. All right, my apologies. So that, I think that is Mr. Lincoln because it has a white line. And I checked the petals here, and it actually has white lines right here in the middle. What's weird is, oh, not weird, but it's actually really cute. Look at that. And then next, look at this, guys. It kind of has yellow and white in the middle, and then pink in the outer part. And this is called Love and Peace for gardens of all sizes. Yeah, I have a small garden for flowers. And then we have some yellow ones. This one is really full. I really like this. I'm not sure if this is the same as that yellow one I showed you earlier, that one. But let's take a look if I can find a tag in here somewhere. This is called, what is this? Julia Child. So this is different. And then next we have a pink rose. Look at that. And these roses smell so good. Let's see here. This is called, oh, Uptown Girl. Oh, there's a song, Uptown Girl. All right, another red rose in here, and this is Legends. I remember seeing Legends earlier somewhere. And then these, look at that. It has a very amazing design of the petals, and then the color is kind of like there's red, white, and pink. And this is called Loves Me, Loves Me Not. Okay. Next in here, this one is a very light pink. Look at that. Very beautiful. It looks like cotton candy. Okay, and this is called Princess Charlene de Monaco. And then over here, another red or deep pink color, dark pink. And this one is another Mr. Lincoln. I think this is like the second or third, maybe third. And then another red one here. It's kind of like hard to find the tags. This one's another Legend, so I guess we have 3 Legends now. You might be wondering why I'm buying duplicates. I got this from a plant auction, and you have to buy the whole row. And I bought 4 rows because they had like different variety in each row. But then there are some that are duplicates. Oh, this is called Sentimental. And this one, actually, I haven't seen anything like this before. It's a combination also of red, pink, and white, but it has a lot of white, and it's like almost, yeah, there are like lines. I don't know what it's called, like variegated, something like that. Um, but yeah, that's so nice. And then this one here is another thing that looks like kind of white. This is an older flower, but oh, and the petals fell. But here we have one that has not opened fully, which is really nice, close to yellow. Oh, that's Romantica Moonlight. It's the second one. I remember that. And here's another red one. Maybe this is Legends or Mr. Lincoln. Let's take a look. This is Legends. Yep. That's okay. And then this is the same as the one over there. And then this one is another red. Name. Let's see. The name is Mr. Lincoln. How many Mr. Lincolns do I have? 5. I didn't count. Okay. These are slightly smaller. Look at that. Light pink color. This is Princess Charlene de Monaco. And then yellow, Romantica Moonlight. Maybe Legends next because it's red. Oh, this is Mr. Lincoln. Well, they look similar. And this one is okay, this one is different. It's kind of like red and pink. And that is Loves Me Not. And this, I know I've seen this before. I just read that name, but I can't remember. Oh, it's also Loves Me Not. Okay, when it's fully open, it looks like this. And this is like a very interesting pattern in the flowers. Alright guys, it is getting dark in here. I'm in the middle of the garden. This is not the final placement of these rose plants. They will be moved into a different part of the property. I might put some in front of the house and on the sides. And well, there are 28 of them. So I'm still actually looking for a spot for them. I have seen in some videos that people are saying that it's not a good idea to plant them close together just because roses, or there are some varieties that are prone to diseases, and I don't really know which ones are prone to diseases. So fingers crossed that these flowers will do good this year and will come back next year for me and the years to come. This is a very exciting project, guys. Wish me luck. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna have a garden tour. I'm not sure what time, just depends on whenever I get done with all of my early morning chores in the garden, because I still have a lot of seedlings that need to go in the ground, but I'm gonna show you tomorrow what I have done so far this week. That's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.